The test for the ultraviolet stability is performed in a manner similar to test for the fluorescent intensity, which be used by the ASTM E1135 with the following changes. Okay. Okay, so if we see the remaining 5 specimens are exposed to 800 microwatt per centimeter square ultraviolet light for 1 hour. After exposure period, the fluorescence of the specimen is the measured in the fluorometer in accordance with the ASTM E1135. Alternating between exposed and unexposed specimen, the minimum acceptance average value or sensitivity level 4 and 3, 70% of unexposed brightness. Second, sensitivity level 2, 1 and 1/2, 1/2, 50% of unexposed specimen. Okay, so these are the then thermal stability is regarding for the elevated temperature can reduce the fluorescence of penetrant. The test for thermal stability is similar to the fluorescent intensity test and ultraviolet stability test previously already described before. So okay. Tank life, it is possible that the problem that occur in compounding penetrant and lipophilic emulsifier, these problems usually result in the suppression, precipitation or scum following of the surface of the material and after it has been in the tank. Okay. And what about the water tolerance? Water tolerance is the very important. You guys must be know about the water tolerance. So water tolerance penetrant like method A are a controlled mixture of penetrant and emulsifier. Okay. Water contamination for the adjacent wash stations can cause gelling, suppression or coagulation. Therefore, limiting water contamination is the necessary method. A penetrant shall show no gelling, suppression or coagulation at the water concentration up to 5%. So up to 5% is the okay. After that, it is not acceptable. Okay, because it will be your decrease your sensitivity. Okay, so as you know, removability means when you will use the penetrant and then after that some of penetrants is not easily removed. So there is a removability is the common referred for the washability, means which are the water washable. So is a common property applicable to water washable method A and post emulsifier penetrant method B and D. Method B is the lipophilic, which are the lipophilic is the oil based, and method D that is the hydrophilic, that is the water based. Okay, and method C is the your solvent removal. Okay, so these 4 method A, method B, method C and method D. So these are the removal method, how to remove the penetrant, because some of things is not easily. So then these are the method for how to remove your penetrant. Okay, method A, method B, method C and method D. Okay, major water washable. Method B is the your lipophilic. Lipophilic is the Greek word and which I think it is the oil based, and method C is the solvent based and method D is the hydrophilic, which are the water based. Okay, so now removability also be covered, and emulsifier and remover properties. So emulsifier and removal property, petroleum based penetrant are not soluble in the water. However, there are chemicals that will combine with the penetrant to form a mixture and that can be removed with the water spray. The chemical are called the emulsifier. Okay, so what is the emulsifier? You understand. Emulsifier, a remover or a complex mixture of a chemical, ideally during a removal of a surface penetrant. All excess surface penetrant should be removed from the all surface area, including fillet, corners and recesses. Without removing penetrant, it traps in the discontinuity. Formulating the ideals emulsifier mixture is a delicate, a balancing act. A mixture that is too aggressive will leave a clean surface but will also remove the entrapped penetrant, while a low aggressive mixture will leave an excessive background. Each manufacturer had his own formulation for the penetrant, and emulsifier must be formulated for the specific penetrant except for the solvent removal. Emulsifier from the one manufacturer may not perform a satisfactory on a different manufacturer penetrant. So generally emulsifier are tested for the sensitivity and removability during the penetrant test. Okay.